Habang papasok ang isang import-heavy na PBA Commissioner's Cup, nananatiling nakatungtong sa simple at malinaw na prinsipyo si Titan Ultra Giant Tricers leader Joshua Munzon. At yon ang gampanan ang trabaho. Ang ibang detalye alamin sa aking eksklusibong pag-abante.
Sports Now. Sports Now. Exclusive.
Para kay Titan Ultra Giant Tricer star Joshua Munzon, walang kailangang baguhin o iangat ang sarili sa paparating na PBA Commissioner's Cup. Ang kailangan lang, consistency. Ayon kay Munzon, asahan pa rin ang parehong uri ng laro, matinding depensa, disiplina at pamumuno sa magkabilang dulo ng court para sa Titan Ultra Giant Tricers.
The same Joshua Munzon that they've seen. I mean, somebody who plays hard on defense and, who tries to go out there and lead the team on not just on offense, but on defense too. So just play both sides of the ball and go out there and give my best.
Bilang isang dating all-defensive team selection, alam ni Munzon na mag-iiba ang atensyon dahil sa mga galaw ng roster at pagpasok ng mga import. Ngunit para sa kanya, bahagi ito ng negosyo.
Just to continue doing what I've been doing. I was first team on defense the last 2 years, most improved last year. Just continuing to do what I do. I play both sides of the ball, play offense and defense. Just continuing on, pushing on and just trying to get better. That's it.
Sa isang conference na iikot sa mga import, binigyang din niya na hindi ang mga bituin ang susi kundi tamang game plan at maayos na execution. At higit sa lahat, team chemistry. Personal na target ni Munzon ay manatiling tunay sa kanyang laro, hindi humahabol ng bagong muka, kundi patuloy na naglalaro sa opensiba at depensa ng may intensity.
It'll be interesting to see for sure, depending on who we get as an import too. I think as far as that goes, I think how we game plan to be a big part of that. How the coaches game plan for those players, and how we execute the game plan. So overall, I think it'll just take our team chemistry, and we'll see how we'll be able to adapt and play when the time comes. Somebody who plays both sides of the ball, not just on offense but on defense too. A leader and just somebody who's willing to go out there and play just as hard as I'm willing to go out there and play, and all of us. So that's it. It's a team player and somebody who's gonna give their all out there.
Para kay Munzon at sa Titan Ultra, simple ang sukatan ng tagumpay. Makapasok sa playoffs, isang unang postseason stint na magiging mahalagang hakbang sa paglago ng prangkisa.
We definitely want to make the playoffs. That'll be a big thing for us is having our first playoff stint as Titan Ultra. So I think that's our biggest goal, is making the playoffs and doing everything we can to get there.
Walang drama, walang palusot. Para kay Joshua Munzon, ang paparating na Commissioner's Cup ay tungkol lang sa trabaho at sa pag-abante ng antas, isang laro sa bawat pagkakataon. Ako si Sus Valdez, Abante Sports, nauna.